Cupid. Can I do it?
Lila. Here, hang on. This is too loud. We have to hang on for this. G's showing us something. Okay? Okay. No, hang on. Uncle G's showing us something. Okay, what is it?
Cupid.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I pick one. I'll pick heart.
H-E-A-T-S.
Nope, you forgot a letter in heart.
E-A-T.
No.
Oh, H-E-A-R-T-S.
Yep. And then I pick something in there, right? What do I have? What are my options? I'll pick this one. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. What do we do next? I still pick another one? What are my options? I'll pick 4.
4.
Mm-hmm.
You rock.
This one?
You rock.
Oh, I rock. Wow. Thank you.